friends, this is Valley with Valley Art, and I'm here today to share with you this wedding journal that I came out with for a coworker that is getting married. Many of you have seen the pictures and you were asking me how to create the dress. So today I will share a little tutorial on how to build it. The journal itself was created with mostly things from the Dollar Tree. The doilies for the dress, they come in a bag with 3 different sizes, and you can find these doilies in their party section. The pearl and this lace and also this ribbon is they are from the dollar store. So when you open it, the first page of the journal is a pop-up card, and those words that you see there are press on stickers from the Dollar Tree and or dollar store, however you want to call it. When I say dollar store is Dollar Tree. And this is a pearl ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, and also these hearts, and these are from their Valentine collection. So I added some pearls, and these, they come like, it's like a glue. This glue, I bought it at Joann's, and they had it like in this tone and a gold tone, and I use it a lot. And then the journal has more pages, but they are blank. So without further ado, we're gonna go to see how we can create this dress. So in this case, I drew the mannequin, and but you maybe can have a die cut, or sometimes you can buy die cuts of this type of figures. So for the card, since I wanted it to be like really nice and vintage, what I did is I used this free printable from Ari Mays. I will suggest that you visit her page, because she has a lot of nice things that you can print for free or buy. She also has a YouTube channel, so please visit her. And so what I did with my dress is I cut out the one that was down here. It looked a little bit different in the middle, but it doesn't matter because it's covered by the dress. So I cut it out, I pasted it on some cardboard, and then I cut it all out again, and I built the dress on top of this. In this case, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use one that I built myself in a little piece of cardboard. So I don't have one of the bigger doilies, but I'm going to show you another way where if you don't have a doily, you can use any other paper. So for the top part, we're going to cut one of the smaller doilies in half, and then we're going to cut a half circle in the middle. So once we have this, you're gonna see how easy this is. This is kind of maybe too big. And the size of the doilies really depends on the size of the dress and the mannequin that you're gonna build. So this is gonna be the top, and you can adjust it as you want, but basically it's gonna be like that. And then you can glue it in the back. And so here we have the top. So for the skirt part of the dress, I don't have a doily. so I'm gonna use a regular napkin. So let's say this is the doily or the napkin or whatever paper you are gonna want to make the skirt. You fold it in half, but you leave this like a little bit of part there. So if you have the doily, you're gonna have all this, I don't know, ribbon coming out, but we're gonna try it with the napkin to see how it looks. So you don't fold it exactly in half, so you leave like a moon here. So once you accomplish this shape, you're gonna mark the center and you're gonna flip any side that you want to the middle, and this one leaving a little space there because that's what's gonna make the skirt pop out. Then you bend this part here, the top part, and this is where you're gonna glue the skirt in the dress or in the mannequin or in the top part of the dress, as you want to say. So you put it here, and there you have the skirt. You see, you can build it with any type of paper. If you are in a country where doilies don't exist or they are expensive, you can build a wedding dress even with a napkin. So then you can add a little lace. If you don't have a lace like I'm gonna do here, you can cut a little bit of paper and just paste it there, and you have the dress without going as far as having doilies or lace. And you can see how beautiful this is. And if you want this to the skirts to stand out a little bit, you can put like a cotton ball there and it's not going to be seen by anybody. So there you have it, the little dress. You can accomplish it in less than 5 minutes and with very little material. Of course, you know, when you see this one, it looks a little bit different. Of course, the lace, the ribbon here gives it another touch, but still, you know, for a more informal card or journal or for anything that you want to accomplish, you can try this economical version. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, just like it, subscribe to the channel, and we will see each other in the next spread. Bye.